Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to turn on secure storage for end-to-end encryption on the Messenger app for PC. If you're looking to enhance your privacy and protect your conversations, this step-by-step guide is just what you need. Let's get started. First, open your Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the necessary settings. Once the app is open, look to the left side of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will take you to your account settings. From there, select Privacy and Safety to access your privacy options. Now that you're in the Privacy and Safety section, find the option labeled End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Click on this to proceed to the next step. This feature ensures that your messages are encrypted, providing an extra layer of security. After clicking on End-to-End Encrypted Chats, look for Message Storage. This is where you can manage how your messages are stored securely. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see the option to Turn on Secure Storage. Click on that to enable this important feature. This will help keep your messages safe and accessible only to you. Next, you'll need to choose a PIN for your secure storage. Enter your desired numbers and make sure to choose something memorable yet secure. After entering your PIN, you'll be prompted to re-enter the numbers to confirm. This step is crucial to ensure you don't lock yourself out. And that's it. You've successfully turned on secure storage for end-to-end encryption in your Messenger app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Stay safe and secure while chatting.